Hey, what's up, high levelers? It's Andrew, and I've got a really exciting update for the client portal and for courses. We now can access global magic links in a variety of different places within our sub accounts, and it's not going to be so course dependent as it used to be in the past. This is really exciting, and it's going to make it easier for you to get login links to your users. So let's dive right in. Now, if you don't know what magic links are, these are the links that we can send to our users that are user specific that they can simply click, immediately get logged in, and we can generate these from memberships. And under client portal dashboard, we can click generate magic link for our contact. So we can select our contact here. Then we can select if we want to send them an email as well. And then we can also select a custom menu link as well. So these are our two different types of magic links. One will be specifically for a contact and the other will log in specifically to one part of the app. So if you make a link, for example, here, generate, and then anyone that clicks this logs in, they'll be navigated straight to the affiliate screen, vice versa with courses and communities. But the most powerful part of this is the contact side of things, where we can select a contact from our CRM, and then we can generate a link specifically for them by clicking generate. And then here's that custom magic link. We can copy this, send this to our client, and then they can log in straight from that link, which is really cool. Now, I'm here to tell you that we can use these magic links in 3 new places within our sub accounts. And these are going to be called global magic links. The first place is within any sort of smart list conversation. So here we are in a smart list conversation. And what we can do here is click the plus button. And then just like we would add any other custom value, if we look up link, we can find our client portal login URL. That is our global magic link that will be sent to this client. So this is specifically for them to log in, and we can use this right within the conversation manager. The second place where we can use this is in our email builder. So if we navigate over to marketing, then to our email campaigns or templates, we can go ahead and open up one of our emails. And here's a perfect example of wanting to use this magic link. This is a welcome email that we're going to be sending to our client. And so what we want to do is use that magic link within this email. And now we can use that as a custom value by simply navigating to custom values. And then we can either look up link or we can scroll down and go to the client portal here. And then we've got our login URL, magic link right there, contact specific, and it'll send via the email marketing manager, which is really, really cool. And the last place we can use this is in new workflows. So if we use this in, let's say, an email action, we can now in our message itself, again, that custom value, scroll down to the client portal contact. Boom, there is that login URL for our magic link, and we can send that via our email. We haven't been able to do this until now. Before now, sending out magic links was a very manual process, and you had to use different parts of the client portal, like the courses infrastructure, in order to get access to those magic links. So this is a huge upgrade, and I absolutely love this. If you've used the client portal, you know how awesome magic links are. We can get our clients logged in instantaneously. It's a great way to get people into the platform. And this makes it even easier for us to integrate that into our automations and send those to our clients. So I'm really excited to see you guys use this. I'm excited to use it myself. As always, if you have any questions, leave a comment. As always, thank you so much for watching.